Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making orange juice as per from the pictures. So first off, we're going to start off with oranges that are locally available in any supermarket, in any market, and we're going to be grating the zest, the orange zest of the orange. Note, don't go beyond the zest, because once you grate the pith, your orange syrup is going to be bitter. I'm going to show you what I mean in the next slide. So let's continue. So only grate the orange zest. So now this is how the orange zest looks like. It may be green, yellow, provided it's only the thin outer layer of the orange. Now the pith, that is what makes the orange syrup or the orange juice bitter, or rather the orange peelings bitter, is what I'm cutting out now. So the pith is white in color, and this is what will actually make your syrup bitter if you grate it along with your orange zest. So note that you should not grate it at all. Next up, I'm gonna be adding 4 glasses of water as per my serving. So I'll be serving 4 people this juice, and therefore I'm gonna be adding 4 glasses of water, and then I'm gonna pour in the orange rind or orange zest into the water and add in some sugar. Let's do that first. So next up, into a bowl which has water, approximately half a glass of water, I'm gonna be adding in sugar as per the serving. Again, you might add 4 tablespoons of sugar, or rather 8 teaspoons of sugar. Remember, it's as per your serving. Mix that up, or rather stir that up, and then add it to the orange syrup. Once that is done, place this over medium heat and let it boil. So as you can see, it's boiling. Next up is straining it. Of course, we want to get the syrup only, minus the rinds. The next step is actually juicing the orange itself. And as you can tell, the reason that's why I make my orange juice like this, let alone the orange juice, pineapple juice, and all the other juices that I'll be showing you in my channel, is because it is actually economical. And the fact that these 4 oranges are only gonna serve 1 glass, why not make your orange juice in the method that I'm showing you right now? So first of all, juice the actual orange. You can use a juicer, you can use a squeezer if you don't have the electric juicer. And then that is what we have from the 4 oranges. And then allow your syrup to cool before you add in this juice. Let your syrup cool, because if you don't, it's gonna drain all the nutrients because it's gonna be hot. So allow it to cool, then mix it up with the actual orange. Guys, this is how you make orange juice, and trust me, this is so delicious. I'm gonna show you in a bit. Let me show you how it looks. So ladies and gentlemen, presenting my yummy orange juice. Let me see you on my next one. Till next time, bye.